Hi, I'm Chris Giordano with Differentials Plus, and this is Road Ready. Today I would like to talk about the importance of maintaining your cooling system. The cooling system is responsible for keeping your engine cool, and the coolant in it is also responsible for protecting it against cold temperatures and hot temperatures. One thing that people don't often know is when the cooling system starts to break down, the liquid can start to generate a voltage. This small voltage can be dangerous to the internal components and can cause erosion inside the parts. Once this happens, you can have problems such as radiator leaks, heater core leaks, and even problems in the metal that your engine is made out of, pitting and becoming porous. If you would like to talk about servicing your cooling system, you can find us at 6714 Middle Valley Road. You can reach us at 423-355-1872. You can find us on Facebook at Differentials Plus, or you can find us on the web, differentialsplus.com.